Welcome to another Strategic Thinking episode. These episodes cover topics related to business, industry and the economy, and also your place in it and the organisation that you work for, that you serve, that you're associated with, their place in it, and how that you and that organisation can achieve long-term success. These episodes are about creating a pathway to the future. Did you know that one of the key skills that will be in demand are people skills? You know, we see those reports how 40% of current jobs are likely to disappear between now and 2030, and we see news clips and we reach social media and other videos and so on, how robots are taking over the world, how software is, eating things up and so on and so forth. Well, it is true. You start to think and reflect upon it. It is cheaper for a lot of tasks for robots to do the tasks that humans do. So, what should you do? How do you prepare career-wise? How do you prepare your business for this coming onslaught, these changes which are likely to happen in the future of work? Think about the people skills. Think about the caring roles. Think about the jobs that require persuasion, salespeople, leaders, managers. They're in essence people type jobs. Robots can't do them. Software, artificial intelligence can't really do them. That person who is going out massaging or looking after people in aged care or in early child care. The people-centered jobs, jobs with people skills are likely to last. So what are people skills? In essence, it's the ability to work with, work through, and work for people. Regarding working for people, might be at school. Can you work for a team leader? At work, can you support a boss as they want to get those tasks done? Working with people, are you part of a team? Can you help that team achieve their goals? That's a people skill, working with people. And working through people, that leadership, that management, that ability to take people along on that journey, that's a working through people, getting a job done through others. They're people skills, working with, through and for people. These are critical skills, and these are the types of jobs of the future. So, with respect to the future of work, one of the skills that you need to develop, that you need to keep an eye on, are people skills. So thanks for watching, and all the best for the development decisions you need to make.